Yeah, people. We did on a bike dock Dumbarton Avenue. We have a program of meds for go me now. How much are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A long time we don't make a move like this, is it? Yeah, man, we are going now. I don't know, so we are going to dog up the road, but we are going to do it responsibly. You understand? No, no. I want to run left here, that's what I want to do more run up. Alright, then I'll stop a little bit. Soon come back. I want to hold the river there, see, man. And see if it really is what it says it is. One line. One line. Remember, got a gas station. Yo, the chain just catch up on this something, so. Yo, that we call the chain for bus, you know, brother. Serious thing that, you know. Soon come back. But not right hard, brother. Kaka no sit down and work. Jaja. Fresh cup really tired. Yo, this a man on the right stop, watch him. No, don't follow him. And then I'm forced to follow, you pieces of shit. You guys are shit. Yeah, bro. Eh? Come on, come on. Guys, I don't have enough battery life for camera go all the way up, but we see how much of this we can video because the camera did dead. Ow! No, that would have tried on the helmet, man. Yeah. Wow, them boy come on! Them boy come on! You don't know. You have Shani up front, you have Rudy, you have me. You have Fresh Cut behind, and you have Mike that. 5 bikers, you see me? Andy with the brand new Soul. Brand new Rubber Special 250. Fresh cup on him, like a Zamps. I think it's a 250, yeah? Nada, which way na go? All road. Woo! Slow down, yo! Them they up there, dog. Why them up there? Yo, go on up front now, you mind up straight. buster. Fresh cut bike a buster. Woo. Fire for me. Just this that is it, fresh cup. Yeah people, the camera got dead, so hope you enjoy this one. Is it long time when I go for ya. Long time when I ride go up like this, you see me? Now one nice like a crew. You see it? So, big up on yourself. Manners and respects. Oh man, the man ain't tired. The man ain't tired. Lord, yeah.